Well, hello, agents, and welcome to the Travel Tuesday webinar, where we talk about the latest travel news, the latest travel advisories. We probably got some promo codes and anything that's travel related and, good enough to be mentioned. I guess everything's good enough to be mentioned, but, kind of sort of anything that comes through my inbox that I find interesting and anything that I've heard in the industry and that I think that you guys should know. So you guys always know that I like to start off with some positive news. Let me go ahead and share my screen. Come on, come on. All right, let's do this. Share. And then we have to share this. All right. So our positive news of the week is for the Bahamas. So the Bahamas is getting ready to celebrate, I believe it's 51 years of independence. So we love the Bahamas. We love sending clients to the Bahamas. So how about that? Let's keep this show going. All right. The next one is going to be travel advisories. Let's see if we have any new travel advisories for this week. It's always a surprise. All right, travel advisory. Yeah, we actually have a travel advisory. And I don't remember this Trinidad and Tobago being there last week. So I believe Trinidad and Tobago has a new travel advisory. And over here, Congo has a new travel advisory, reconsider travel. So if you guys have clients traveling to any of these regions, yeah, they'll probably have some questions for you. Let's jump over into the travel news. So I ran across this. I have not read all the way into it, but I saw it and I thought that I would mention it. Over here, it's still loading. Eurail. So Eurail has a 20% off offer for travel this season. So let's see what it's all about. So Eurail, European summer off season. Company is offering 20% on all Eurail global passes and select one country passes valid for traveling from September onward. Yeah, so go ahead and jump on over to your Eurail portal if you guys are interested in that. Let's keep it going. All right, what is this one all about? All right, so I saw another one here. Journeys, they're rolling out a new incentive for travel advisors, and I don't know what it is. We're about to find out together, okay? So Journeys, the luxury brand of pleasant holidays, has announced its latest incentive, so whereby travel agents will earn 500 bonus trip points for every new registered journey booking with any bucket list partner, resort, or cruise made by August the 31st for travel through August 31st of 2025, okay? And so let's see. Furthermore, the top revenue producers will earn a 2-night stay at one of the Hilton all-inclusive resorts in Mexico or the New York Marriott Marquis with M Club upgrade. Okay. I like that. Thank you. Pleasant holidays. Let's jump over to this one. All right. I saw this, and I usually don't like to mention negative stuff. But y'all, what's going on with Barcelona? Yeah, it says Barcelona anti-tourism protesters fire water pistols at visitors. Y'all, that's a whole fight. Like, what? This is what we do to tourists? Like, I wonder what is going on in Barcelona for them to be so upset that tourism is there, mass tourism. I don't know. I guess I see the different side because I'm in the travel industry, but y'all, violence doesn't skirting water gun on people. Like, are we really taking it all the way back with the water? We doing that? Like, wow. So I can't wait to see this resolved. I don't have any clients that's going to Barcelona anytime soon. Do you guys have any clients that are going to Barcelona anytime soon? Are they nervous? Have they had any questions for you guys? I've never seen this one before. This is a new one, and it's something else. It's something else, okay? Let's keep it going. All right, so for all of my Disney fans, we all love Disney over here. So Disney is launching their ninth cruise, all right? And so it is going to be called Disney Adventure, and it's going to be out of Asia. And so while we're there in Singapore, we kept seeing signs for it. But yep, it's gonna be here soon. So let's see. They're gonna be there. 3 more ships are expected by the end. Wow, Disney is really cooking up a storm. They got 3 more ships that's coming. Wow. Let's see. Tokyo International Cruise opens to Koto Ward on September the 20th. Okay, so when is this ship gonna be out and about? I don't know, but there's some research that we got to do. But yeah, Disney Adventure. I can't wait to go on it. Singapore. All right. Let's jump into these travel emails. All right. So the first travel email that I want to share with you guys, it is a chance to win a 3-night complimentary stay. And this is the booking incentive for Sunscape Coco Punta Cana. Okay. So I got this today, and it's extended. So extended to August the 31st, right? And so, of course, let's go over the terms and conditions. So travel advisors must be a certified confident by confident by completing the confident learning program. Bookings entered must be future travel, April 22nd, before and forward. And then travel advisors must notify Gina via email once all bookings are registered. So here's Miss Gina Giordano's email. She's amazing. And then exclusive, oh Lord, I'm supposed to show this, but hey, oops. This is exclusive for recipients of this email. So, hey, if y'all want to, y'all still can use it. She'll be okay. She's already, we're cool. Run through me if you guys want to use this, and I'll introduce you guys. How about that? If someone knows that they can probably qualify for that incentive. I didn't see that. I just said, ooh, this would be something good to mention. Let's do this. Let's keep on going. All right. So July the 20th, Carnival Cruise Line is going to have a Mardi Gras ship tour. How about that? All right. And so let's see these dates and the location that this bad boy is going to be at. So when? July the 20th, where? Port Canaveral. And then if you feel that you can make it, if you guys can't find the link, hey, shoot me an email or text message, and then I'll send you the RSVP link. But all of it should be inside of your portal, or you can just reach out easily to our BDM, Miss Sydney. Okay, so that is Carnival. This one over here. So let's see, Lomas. We had an amazing webinar with Lomas, and they have so many different brands. If you guys were looking for El Dorado Resort, which was once under Charisma, it's over at Lomas. Lomas has El Dorado. So yeah, let me see. Contact. Let's see more. Oh, they have more inclusive, where I really like that. The more inclusive. The specific resorts were more inclusive. It included like aquanic. It included like excursions and stuff. It was like really over the top. I really loved it. Oh, I wish that more of you guys could have been on the webinar, but it was absolutely amazing. So it's more inclusive right here. So it's available at 8 resorts in the beautiful Riviera Maya, the El Dorado. So it looks like most of the El Dorado resorts, Generations, Riviera Maya, Las Citos, Overwater Bungalows, and Hidden Beach Natural. All right. So yes, I thought I would mention that as well. Oh, and it also includes transportation, round trip transportation as well. So check out that. All right. I believe this is Centrav. Yeah, Centrav is getting ready to have a webinar with Korean Air. Okay. It's going to be held on July the 10th, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. Hop on over to Centrav and you will find the link there. All right. Secret Leia Esmeralda. Let's see. They are opening. They have their opening. They are opening. Let's see. They're set to open April the 1st 2025, okay? And that's in the Dominican Republic. Let's see if we got any pictures. We don't got any pictures, but you guys can Google it, okay? And so that is the new secret, Playa Esmeralda. All right. I saw this deal from Hawaiian Air, and I thought that I would mention it to you guys. So right now, Hawaiian Airlines, they're having this flash sale, and I saw $101 one way. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Okay? So let's keep on going. Let me be specific. One way. Does it say one way? All right. Man, cabin fares from SJC to KOA from 10:11 to 10:24. Okay, that's specific. And then the main cabin fare that was listed is from H&L to OGG. Okay. All right, I got a promo code for you. You guys know I love personalization mall. Over here, they have the promo code everything, okay? So you get 30% off everything, okay? So if you guys are trying to get some things customized for your clients, listen, this is not like a sponsored video or anything like that, but I do enjoy using personalization mall. So use the promo code everything for your stuff, for your clients' things. They have, they have so many different things that you can get there, okay? And right now they have the kids because it's back to school, but when I tell you they have so many things that you could get for your clients on the travel side. All right, and let's keep on going. All right, I saw this. They had a discount for Belga. Okay, it was a promo code. Okay, so the promo code for Belga is Pelga Visa 15, and that's going to get you 15% off activities in Singapore if you have a Visa credit card. Okay, so yeah, I thought that I would mention that, but that is going to pretty much wrap this up. If you guys have any questions or anything for us, hey, just call me, text me. Oh my gosh, so you guys didn't see this. Here, I don't think you guys saw this tab. I'm not sure if you guys saw this tab when I was talking about the more inclusive over here at Lomas because I didn't press the button. I'm sorry, y'all. But yeah, this is the hotels that you can get the more inclusive at here. All right. And these are some of the perks: transportation, catamaran and reef snorkeling, wave runner, Maroma Beach, and then Opinic. Cenotes. All right. All right. So, but yeah, that is going to wrap up this webinar. If you guys have any additional questions for me, or if you guys, want to mention anything, hey, go ahead and put it in the comments. I love responding to the comments. Yeah, so just throw it over there in the comments. And until our very next video, we will see you on another Travel Tea Tuesday. Have an amazing week.